This is one of a few videos I'll be putting together with the storm. There's Connor. And I did feed the blue jays and I cleaned off the deck, but look at that. I cleaned it off an hour ago. So it's coming down pretty good. I see the deer got all the apples. They were out last night. But anyway, our stupid weatherman said this wasn't supposed to hit till today. And guess what? It hit last night around 9 o'clock. So it's been going steady ever since, but we still got power. Right, Connor? Yes, we still got power. And that's my generator there. I took it inside, let it warm up. And then when if the power goes, I just take it out to put it on the deck out there, fire it up, and I get extension cords to come in and run the fridge and run the furnace. So as far as the light goes, well, I got them old-fashioned lanterns, so we'll just use that. I don't care about TV or nothing. So anyway, what if I can open the window in here? Here's Miss Charlotte. Miss Charlotte. Yes, Mrs. Charlotte. Alright, this is, I see all the footprints there from the deer. Anyway, she's coming down good. We're going to get quite a bit, I guess. So I was talking to Don there. We're not going to bother plowing until this is all settled. He'll come over with the plow and I'll get the snowblower out and clean up around. And I have to keep shoveling my deck off so I can get out. I go out every 2 hours and clean it off. So there's nowhere to go today. Everything could be shut down. And I get over my laziness. I went and got the furnace all ready for the in case the power goes. So I got my extension cords all ready to roll. And so what I did, see? Anyway, I'm going to have my breakfast. And look at this. Look, 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 look. You know what he wants? He wants the bacon. You want bacon? Connor, you want bacon? I always eat in the living room. I don't eat in the kitchen table. Alright, here, look. Just a minute, I'll put this over a bit for you. Wait. He loves his bacon. Don't ya? Huh? Oh yes. Connor has to have bacon. And he likes it crispy. Doesn't want it half fried. He wants it crispy. So this is what I got to put up with every morning, 7 days a week. Don't I, Connor? Don't worry, folks. We wipe that table down with Javex and water and disinfect it. Here. Alright, you got to let me sit down, bud. Come on. Move. He'll move for me if I'm going to have breakfast. Oh dear. You want some? You want some? Come here. Come on. Look what I got. Look. You want some bacon? Here, come on, get it. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Any other time you're sitting here. Come on. Connor. You want me to lay it here? Here. He's going to eat it there. The Connor cat. He's just a Connor cat, aren't you? Huh? Just a minute. I'll give you these. I need some for myself, bud. That's it. You just had his breakfast, didn't you? You just had your breakfast, didn't you? You did so. Connor cat.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. This is what he does. He gets up on the. He gets up on there. You know what? I have to make extra for him.
Do you know why? Because they're problem solving. They're learning how to learn and they like it.
I'm watching a stupid shark movie. There.
Each day, the genetics
We still get the power. For how long, we don't know. But anyway, I'm ready.
If it gets out, those sharks hurt someone, the liability would be enormous. There's no coming back from that kind of PR.
Our power doesn't stay out long here anyway. We're on the main drag here where the big cow farm is.
What does that mean?
So they have to have power, so they get it up pretty quick for them.
Once my experiment is over, I will simply kill them. All of them, so don't worry about it.
There, you had enough? You had enough, Connor? You a good boy? Are you? You're not a good boy, are you? You daddy's boy? That's it, bud. There's no more. No more. It's all gone. There. He's had his breakfast. Second time. Well, here we are. Starting to drift in bad. I left the PT there. The Jeep's out in the middle of it. Yes, there's no way, there's no cars going or nothing. It is bad out. And this started around 9 o'clock last night and it's still going. And it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, so it's been going for a while. So anyway, the lights are still on, thank God for that. So this is crazy. Get back in the house. I know, Connor, you're not going out in that. Get off my gloves. Here, give me the other one. What are you doing in my wet gloves? Huh? What are you doing in my wet gloves? This is Connor video day, isn't it? Are you a Connor video day? Are you? You want to go outside? Do you want to go out? You're not going out in that. Alright, I'm going to put these together and then I'll put them up on the YouTube.